Say it differently. Avoiding cliches in English storytelling. Hello everyone. Today we'll tackle a rather interesting and important topic in storytelling: avoiding cliches. Remember, storytelling isn't just about what you say, but also how you say it. And one sure way to keep your audience interested is to avoid cliches and instead use original, imaginative language. Firstly, let's understand what cliches are. A cliché is a phrase or expression that has been used so often that it has become boring and unoriginal. It's something that most people have heard before, like, as quick as a flash, or, as cold as ice. These phrases, while they can be useful for quick communication, don't bring a lot of fresh, imaginative energy into our storytelling. Our goal is to keep our language fresh and vivid, engaging our audience's senses and emotions with our words. Why should we avoid cliches in storytelling? Well, the use of cliches can make a story predictable and dull. It won't make your audience feel the story. Instead, it just tells them what's happening in a very standard way. Your story needs your unique voice. It should not just be a regurgitation of overused phrases. Using original descriptions and metaphors can help you to avoid cliches and create a more engaging story. Cliches can be tricky to spot, especially if English isn't your first language. They can be phrases like, broke my heart, or words like, unbelievable. A good tip to spot them is to ask yourself if you've heard the phrase before in different places. If yes, it's likely a cliché. To avoid them, try to come up with your own unique ways to express the same idea. Replacing clichés with more original expressions is a skill that takes practice, but it's worth it. Instead of saying, as quick as a flash, how about, swift as a falcon swooping on its prey? Instead of, as cold as ice, try, cold as a winter moon. These replacements not only make the story more engaging but also add a layer of personal style to your storytelling. So, that's a wrap on avoiding cliches in storytelling. Remember, cliches can make your story predictable and unoriginal, so it's worth the effort to replace them with fresh, imaginative language. Your story deserves your unique voice. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be crafting stories that are truly your own, filled with vivid, original descriptions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you become a more creative and engaging storyteller.